Guys, another comment na naman po. Ang sabi ni ate, sabi niya, why not get a single detached house, no maintenance fee? So, that's a great idea na kumuha ng single house compared to a townhouse, right? Pero you have to take consideration yung budget ng kliyente or yung budget mo or budget ko as a buyer, right? Kasi ako, buyer din naman ako and I'm planning to buy a house, right? So, everything will fall down doon sa budget nung bibili. Kasi not everybody is approved for at least $550,000, $560,000 na mortgage, right? Kasi maraming factor na pumapasok kung bakit hindi na-approve ng ganung amount. Tapos, one thing is, obviously, the higher the mortgage is, the higher din yung monthly payments mo. So, merong mga pros and cons talaga. You really have to consider big time yung magiging budget mo and yung monthly payments mo. Not unless magpuput ka ng down payment na malaki. For sure, bababa yung yung mortgage amount mo and bababa yung mortgage payment mo monthly. Pero that's not always the case, right? Most of the time, meron lang po tayong sapat na 5% na pang down and the rest will be mortgage. So medyo mabigat. So suggestion ni ate na sabi niya na why not get a single detached house, no maintenance fee. It really depends po talaga sa budget ni kliyente or sa budget ng buyer. So again, hindi po lahat na approve ng malaking amount, unfortunately.